In this problem we're doing the Young's double slit experiment, and we're told that the dark fringe occurs at the m equals 0 order at 15.0 degrees. So theta 0 equals 15.0 degrees. And we're asked, where is the m equals 1 dark fringe? So if we're looking at the screen, we get these peaks, and we're looking for the dark fringes, which are in between the peaks. So we're told that the first one, our m equals 0 order, occurs at 15 degrees. Let's find m equals 1. So we know that for constructive interference, d sine theta equals m lambda. Okay? That's for constructive. We have destructive. So what that is a half. It's in between. D sine theta equals m plus 1/2 lambda, where m is just an integer. Okay? So in the first case, we have m equals 0. Okay? So let's go. M equals 0. We're going to have d sine theta equals lambda over 2. And just plug in 0 for m, and that gives me wavelength times a half, which is lambda over 2. And we don't know the wavelength, and we don't know d. All we know is sine theta. So all I'm going to do is solve for, put our knowns on one side and our unknowns on another. So we're basically going to get 2 sine theta, so move that over, equals lambda over d. Okay? Those are basically like a constant in this problem. For our m equals 1 part, we have d sine, same equation, d sine theta 1 equals, this time it's 1.5 lambda. Okay? So I'm just going to call this 1.5 lambda. Right? We add a half to 1.5 lambda. Okay? So same thing. If we solve again, see the exact same way and give ourselves lambda over d, we're going to be able to set the two equal and figure out what theta 1 is. So I say that sine theta 1 divided by 1.5 equals lambda over d. Okay? Lambda over d equals lambda over d. So I set those two equal. So I get 2 sine theta 0 equals sine theta 1 over 1.5. Okay? So now all I'm going to do is solve for theta 1. Sine theta 1 equals 1.5 times 2 times sine theta. Theta 0 is 15 degrees. Put that in here. Okay, so all I do is take the inverse sine of this number to give me a theta of 50.9 degrees. And that is your final answer.